Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey everybody, how are you? I am back. I just wanted to say hi, and then I'm going to bring the camera around and just put everything out and show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. So, went to the Dollar Tree and got a lot of cute stuff. This stuff is going to be for DIYs, gnomes. I'm really into the gnome thing now and making gnomes in all different ways. So I'm going to show you what I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to swing the camera around and we'll get started. Okay, so now I have been shopping Dollar Tree for over a month, maybe even almost a month and a half. So what you're seeing is a month and a half's worth, okay? So I got a couple of these little kitchen towels. Don't know where I'm going to use them yet for sure. Might put that on my cocoa bar, on my bar cart. Not sure. So I got a couple of those, and then these. This is one of those microfiber cloths, and this is one of those little dust mop where you put it on your dust mop to do your floor, but I'm using these for DIYs as well. This I got just to clean my vegetables with. Not very exciting, is it? Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Then I got one of these little trees. I like them because, I got my hands full here, they turn on. They're kind of fiber optic, I guess. Well, I don't know what they're, but I thought it was cute. So they purple, blue, green, so that's cute. One of these snowmen, and I'm not going to leave it like this. You'll never guess what I'm making with these, huh? Can you guess? Anybody guess? These are for gnomes. Then I just kept collecting whenever I saw one that I liked. Little socks. Then they had this ornament, the door. I thought that was kind of cute. Then this I think I'm going to put in my downstairs bathroom. I thought that was cute. And I'll put some pine cones, ornaments, something in there. I also got this towel. Thought it was cute. Then they had the jingle bells, and I think these are so doggone cute, so I'll probably do a DIY with these, and what I don't do a DIY with, I'll just put on one of my trees. Then they had these little tiny ornaments, and these I will put with some DIYs probably. And then I got these berries in this pick, and I think I already know what I'm going to do with this pick. It's going to be for a DIY, so really this is an embellishment for a DIY that I'm going to do. And then these berries I will probably use for my faux food. I won't be using these for Christmas. It'll be for actual faux food. But these, I think I showed you these. I'm not sure if I did or not. I think I did. No, I didn't. I didn't. I was thinking of something else. These I will probably put with this. And this will go in my bathroom, my downstairs bathroom. Okay? And then these pine cones and the holly, and I love this white and green holly. I love it. But these will go perfect because see the pine cones? And then you could also add some of these with it. I'll figure it out, but I'm almost positive this is going in my downstairs bathroom. Oh my gosh, so cute. Gnome for the holidays. Please, I love it. And since I'm into the gnomes, this is going to be perfect. I think I might do a vignette on my antique sewing machine. The cabinet of it. Got this red truck, but I'm not leaving it like this because I bought one last year and I'm just hoping I can find it. But I want to do something different with this, so be on the lookout for that. Got another wooden tree because I'm going to make some wooden trees and put either fabric or paper on them. I got some of these foam scatter pieces and I will embellish with these. Actually, you could even put some of this on cakes, your faux cakes. I bought this present, I thought it was so pretty. And I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I'm not even going to touch it. To put on my tree with my Santas. Because my Santas, the tree is really all just red and white. The majority of it, I should say. And then I got this. I'm not all into this kind of, I don't even know, what do you call this stuff? Tinsel, like a tinsel house or something. I really bought it for the bones, because I thought I might like to try and I might like to recreate this. And look at these. These are so pretty. And I thought that they would be really pretty in a vignette or a 3-tiered tray. You could even put them on a cake. I might do that. I got another one of these sleighs. I got 2 of them actually. One in the, just the metal, and then the red one. And I'll put this on my Christmas tree in the living room. These 2 trees, I'm not sure if I'll put with my cakes or an embellishment for something. I'm not sure. And then this reindeer is pretty. Don't know yet. I have a couple ideas. Then, okay, these trees. Okay, these trees go with this house. They were together. And I mean, it's not bad. I mean, some people like this because it's very shiny, very festive. But I have an idea what I'm going to do with these. Pretty sure. Then I always buy more of my little palette knives, and this is for my faux frosting of my food. Some candy canes. Don't know if I'll cover these or not. I just might leave them the way they are. Not sure yet. More of the Jingle Bells, and I got these in the silver. And then look at these. Aren't these cute? These little snowmen. I thought that was so cute. And you get 2 of them for $1. Thought that was cute. Okay, and then I was excited, but I only found one of these little terrarium. These you could really do some really cute personal DIYs. So I'm still going to see if I can get a couple more at least. So I was happy to at least get one. But I like the way it can stand or you can hang it. But that's cute. Then they had this guy. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him. I got this because I think it's an adorable sticker for $1. Look at that. Look at the crayons and the apron. And it's 3D. Look at the little easel with the hands. That would be so perfect for a scrapbook page. Especially if one of your kids, you have a picture of them, you know, painting or whatever, or they just like, they're artistic. And I got this and these for my gnomes. Look at this one. Look at this sticker. When I saw this, I thought, you've got to be kidding me. Dollar Tree? Dollar Tree? Look at it really up close and personal. Look at the bottles of perfume. And these are 3D as well. I think these are really, really pretty. Got a pair of these little socks. And I bought this stocking, and I'm not going to keep it a stocking, I don't think. I'll use this also for my gnomes. Then I bought some of these for legs and arms. Might have to get a couple more. They're rollers at Dollar Tree for your hair. Then I just got a pair of these. This isn't for gnomes. This is just to wear. These are slack. They're trouser socks. So your socks, your pants don't stick, you know, to the sock. It just... And some more. Some more socks. And then they had this. This is a glue and eraser, so I'm wondering if it'll take off. I'm going to do an experiment with this after I'm done showing you and see if it really works. I'll show you in a minute. And then these little wood planks, I'm going to be using these also in a DIY. And then this red plate, I have a Cricut, and I may take some vinyl and put Santa's cookies. I think that would be cute. And then a mop head. This is also going to be for gnomes. Some of these for the gnomes to put at the bottom of the socks. And last but not least, knee highs. And I think I might use these for gnomes too. So that is my Dollar Tree haul, guys. That is probably a month and a half at least worth of going to different Dollar Trees. And I've been to 3 different Dollar Trees getting these different things. I want to see if it works. I have this baby food jar, and I don't know if you can see the residue on it, the sticky. See how my thumb's sticking to it? This supposedly is supposed to take off glue and residue. So let's see what happens. And it just feels like, well, just a rubbery. It doesn't smell like nothing. Okay, so let's see. It does say glue and residue eraser, correct? Maybe you have to wet it, because so far it's not working. Let's wet it and see. That would be a negative. It does not work. It does not work. So that was a wasted dollar unless I'm able to do something else with it. But it does not take off glue residue. It does not. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.